Westermans here with a machine which has just arrived, which is a Linc-Cut S1530W water table. The machine was actually purchased and never put into production. It still has the manuals, starter pack and the 125 CE Flexcut plasma. I say it is a water table, single phase on the CNC. Plasma is obviously 3-phase. Machine is 2022, but as I say, it's never been put into production. Machine like this would normally be serviced and cleaned. No service to actually do on this, so it's relatively a quick buy. More details can be found on westermans.com on this and other machines, both new and used. Pro Arc CNC bed, which is actually new in stock, which carries the Hypertherm 125 plasma. Also other bigger plasma machines available, and a full range of welding equipment. More details on the PDFs on Westermans site.